in this section, we're going to be looking at resistance, and we're going to be able to calculate resistance in the circuit if we know the voltage and the current. When electricity passes through a wire, there is a heating effect due to the resistance of the electrons passing through the wire, and there is an equation that we can use to calculate the resistance in a circuit. So this is what we're going to do in this instance. Okay, so it's a quite straightforward equation, and the equation to calculate resistance in a circuit is resistance equals voltage divided by the current. So if we were to do an example of this, if say 15 volts was being supplied to a circuit and a current of 3 amps was flowing, to calculate the resistance, this is what we would do. So resistance equals voltage divided by current. Resistance is measured in ohms, and the symbol for ohms is this, and then obviously voltage, or potential difference, is measured in volts, and current is measured in amps. So in the example, 15 volts was passing through the circuit, so it will be 15 divided by the current, which in this case was 3 amps, and 15 divided by 3 is 5 ohms. And that will be your answer. So it's quite straightforward. However, in an exam question, you'll probably have to transpose the equation and maybe do a unit change. So very straightforward. To calculate resistance, it's the voltage supplied to the circuit divided by the current, and in this instance that will be 15 volts divided by 3 amps, and the resistance is 5 ohms. What's in the fridge? It's looking pretty bare, to be honest. Oh, what are these? Hot dogs in a jar. I wonder if Millie wants a hot dog out of a jar. Let's see. They're a bit tricky to get out. Oh, look at that. It's a hot dog in a jar. Millie, do you want a hot dog in a jar? Oh, you want that?